are Quiari. Hi everyone! Opportunities don't happen, you create them. Whoop whoop! Breaking news. Yes, Quiari is the hottest MLM, has arrived and you are watching the fastest growing team v.r.s presentation. We have the fastest payout as never before. When other companies are slowing down, we are speeding up, breaking records, building forever dreams. Are you ready to join the fastest growing health and weight loss movement in the world? The 90-day Kickstart challenge is designed to help people lose weight, have more energy, and feel better than ever. Where success stories are pouring in, will you be next? Company management. Bob Reina, CEO and founder. CEO and founder Bob Reina has a long and proud history of helping others. In fact, he's dedicated his life to it. As a former 10-year veteran of the police department, Bob is a respected member of his community. In his 25-plus years of relationship marketing experience, he has inspired countless people to earn a better income. Susie Reina, President. Susie is a proven leader with 12-plus years of experience serving as Vice President of a successful global technology network marketing company. Susie spent over 21 years in various executive-level positions with a Fortune 500 insurance company. Susie was a respected customer service operations manager, providing leadership and guidance to a staff of 150-plus. John Neubauer, Chief Operating Officer. As a well-established relationship marketing expert, John has held several executive management positions in numerous national and international multi-billion-dollar companies, such as Herbalife International, Inc. Dr. Juan Hanca, Scientific Advisor. Recognized as a leading McQuai berry expert in the world, Dr. Hanca was awarded a $5 million grant to study the extraordinary benefits of the McQuai berry by the World Health Organization. Our packages. Kickstart Combo Pack, $125, 75 sales volume. Get 1 Quiari Shake, 1 Quiari Energy. Starter Pack, $250, 150 sales volume, 2 Quiari Shake, 2 Quiari Energy. Lifestyle Pack, $500, 300 sales volume, 4 Quiari Shake, 4 Energy. Get 1 Quiari Energy free. Individual products. Quiari Shake, $80, 28 servings, 50 sales volume. $42, 14 servings, 25 sales volume. Quiari Energy, $45, 25 sales volume. Business opportunity. Refer 2 customers and get free. Getting free Quiari products is as easy as 1-2 free. Direct income, 20%. Team commission. Every 25 sales volume left, 25 sales volume right, will generate $10. More volume, more commission. Weekly capping. Per ID. Matching bonus. You can earn 10% to 25% from your direct referral team commission. Speed bonus. Chance to earn more than $1,000 in first month by referring 1,000 sales volume. Lifestyle bonus. $500 to $5,000 every month according to your rank. Rank advancements. Rank advancements are evaluated in real time. To advance to ranks, $1,000 to $500,000, be sure to help others on your team succeed and climb the ranks. You may contact our international leaders from Team v.r.s. Whoop whoop! Hope you've enjoyed the movement and start earning with us. Joining the link is given in the description. Like and subscribe the video for getting latest updates.